What are the ninja tactics your probate law firm can use on Bing? Do you know how to use ninja tactics on Bing and on Google with search box optimization, your new friend? Today, you will learn new and exciting ninja tactics for showing up and ranking on page 1 of search engine without the expense of SEO or PPC ads. You know how expensive SEO is. There aren't that many who have been successful with SEO. Yet it is the one thing that most businesses long for, to be seen on the first page of a search engine. It would be a dream come true if you could be seen on the first page of a search engine, without SEO, and without PPC ads, which you may need in conjunction to securing your number 1 position. What if you could be seen as a suggestion and the recommendation by the search engine? Wouldn't that be the highest recommendation you can ever get? You know about page 1 ranking, the most coveted place on earth, and you know that takes an enormous amount of work, with no guarantees, with a constant threat of being replaced. That is why business owners resort to PPC ads, so they can have some exposure to the public right away that's searching for them, and present what they have to offer. Now what if you could gain page 1 status and didn't have to pay for PPC advertising? Whoa! Yes, that's what I said when I learned about this first. This page 1 status comes to you with multiple advantages, and is handed to you on a silver platter by the search engine, through search box optimization or SBO. SBO, and not SEO. What this means is that you now become the shining star in your industry, as the only one, for servicing the community, that is suggested by the search engine itself. So what can be better than rank 0? That would be SBO, search box optimization. This is when your company shows up in the search box itself, as a drop-down, as an autocomplete, and as a suggestion by the search engine. Most of us as consumers tend to click on this suggestion by the search engine, because we trust the search engine to have done the homework for us, serving up something good and of good quality. This is what is called search box optimization, or autocomplete optimization, or autocomplete marketing, and auto-suggest optimization. This way of marketing your company is about 18 months old, but even I found it difficult to find information about it, since only a few companies, us and our partners, are engaging with search box optimizations, and making search box optimization available, as a means of helping local businesses gain momentum in the shortest span of time, with zero advertising cost. You saw in the previous article why Bing is a better choice, if you are starting out or have a limited budget. Lead generation can be difficult, but when it's handed to you by the search engine itself, suggesting you as the best business, to the searching public, the right prospects looking for your service, it becomes an unbeatable way for acquiring new business. To encapsulate, it is less expensive, gives better results and works faster. This is how it contributes to a high ROI. In the next publication, I'll share with you client samples of how this works, so you can see for yourself how to make use of this immense opportunity to grow your business. You can opt in at sboexpertly.com to view the videos on the subject. Subscribe to the playlist and share with friends. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar signing off, and thank you for watching.